this is the most challenging video you've ever had to do before. So you have to be so...
I have to be normal.
You can do it. I can see you.
You can see me?
I can see you.
We're great then. Oh,
You just look really dark.
it's okay, I'm native. That's how I look. I feel so awkward. Today we are going to be vlogging in public-ish. So basically I've been like watching YouTube videos and everyone's been going to Target and Starbucks to get self-care items, and I don't have a Target in town, but we drove to a whole nother town to go to Target to do some basic girly stuff.
B-roll. What?
B-roll, that's what it's called. It's so cute.
I don't want to ruin it.
Just stick it in the white. Good job. Ooh.
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 It's very coffee.
You like it?
It's like coffee mixed with milk. It's delicious.
Yes.
I like it.
Pimple patches because I've been breaking out. How fast? These ones are little heart rainbows. That's so cute. Pride month. Okay. Overnight spot patch cover. Ooh.
You might do that one.
I like it because it's purple. A little bit
Ooh.
of coconut, so I can't like.
I
do-
love those.
These.
Yeah.
Want one?
Sure.
We'll buy one for us to share because we are siblings and live in the same home.
Why you sound like that one dog from Up? Because we are siblings.
Like general area. Okay, we'll get both.
Wait, let me get your... Is that all?
Anyone who knows anything about self-care knows it's a pretty penny.
Are you... Girl, get it together.
I'm trying. The little glass thing.
The little glass things, that's pretty fancy,
the
bro.
ones for like ASMR videos.
Oh.
I think you can actually see them too.
Oh, they're cooling facial. So you like chill them in the fridge and
that's
stuff.
taped shut. I'm not gonna open that.
You like chill them in the fridge and then you use them on your face.
The thing is, we live with a cleaner.
What is it?
So cute. It's pimple patches, but for on the go.
Oh.
You know what? We could actually put this in the car for both of us.
Okay. My sister is forcing me to talk to you guys. We're at Panda Express.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry. It's so awkward.
We're at the Panda Express. We're about to go in and sit down and eat. I'll show you guys my food when I get it.
Dude, what's wrong with me?
I forced her to talk to you guys.
I got so scared.
Oh my god, I'm gonna poke at someone's car and zoom in. This is someone else's car. Please don't find me on this channel, but I like your pride flag.
Don't find me, but I'm gonna give you a compliment.
Don't find
Did you unzoom?
There are waters. We just have ice in them now, but we're gonna refill them. We got some fortune cookies to bring home. Honestly, these were pretty good. Like, they were sweeter than the ones from Mongolian Grill. Where did they go? Okay, so we got some fortunes from our fortune cookies. We have your endless happiness will bring a smile to a familiar face. I looked at my sister and she smiled at me. That one came true. Without you in it, the world would be a less friendly place. That was my sister's. That was Sarah's. Honestly, kind of true though. Let's be honest. Kind of true. Got us some little straws for our cups. Those right. Right there. Chug. Okay. And then here's the menu. We got a menu so that we could show you what we got. My poor coffee! Don't spill! Sorry. I'm so sorry I'm moving you guys. Okay. So we decided to get a plate that was 2 entrees and 1 side. And one side was like the biggest side. So I got fried rice. It had like carrots and some like eggs in it. I think that's what it was. And then my 2 entrees were mushroom chicken. Excuse you. Don't dang me. Why are you making so much noise? Oh my god. So I got the mushroom chicken. It was absolutely delicious. I loved it. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. My sister didn't like it, but she doesn't like the texture of mushroom.
Tell them your overall rating for your first time at Panda Express.
So
I'm not going, compared to like a bunch of like the fast food places I've been, it's probably closer to like a 6 out of 10. But for the Chinese places I've been, I'd say like 8 out of 10 to be honest. Like it's pretty good. I like it better than Mongolian. Yeah.
Look how cute.
Potion cats. They have a good kiddie bowl. I got distracted by the birds, but I already have too many birds. I don't need more. Let's be honest.
I don't know if we're gonna actually buy too many people. Oh, I could get him a mushroom.
Don't you dare.
Just prevent me from buying anything for my son.
Oh my god. If you spoil your child, no, he will. No one's gonna wear that.
He would. I would.
No.
Push him.
He will lay on the ground and not walk.
Cute.
That one he might wear.
If any of you own your own little business and you make kitty collars, please make cinnamon something. Look at it. Look at it.
It's a little
Bead. It's a little boba. Oh my god.
That's cute.
My child's gonna be scared. I'm gonna buy him so many toys.
Oh, this little banner is cute.
I'm gonna buy him so many toys and he's not gonna use them.
He won't. He might use the grass, but he would also chew on it. So
We actually got a fountain for our cats because they like the fountain water.
they do. You're not getting the peach. I will not allow it.
She's here to make sure I don't buy any.
I like these beads. I could use them to make tiny lizards. But I do not need them.
She's here to make sure I don't buy anything, you guys. So we're gonna wander around. We're not actually gonna get anything, hopefully. So we'll see you in the
I
car.
might get something, man.
Okay, for your stuff. This poor book. So this is the 5-minute journal. Sarah picked it up for me. Apparently you open it up or something and you're supposed to write like 3 things you're grateful for, 3 things that would make the day great, a daily affirmation. I don't know what an affirmation is, to be honest. I'll figure it out. The highlights of your day in the afternoon, and then what I learned that day, which it's a little bent, but we're okay with that. We're just gonna crush it with something really heavy. It's fun. We love it. I got this little Band-Aid kit for my backpack because we all know that the people in my life are a little clumsy. I just poked myself in my eyeball. I got myself a little Tylenol packet because, girly here, we all know this. If you know, you know. I have some sprayable not dry shampoo. I don't know. It's deodorant. Some sprayable deodorant, tiny one for school. Honestly, this one's probably gonna come up and then it's gonna all by itself. Okay, and then I have a little matching set. It's coconut and warm vanilla. So I have this vegan bar soap. It says vegan on there. Ooh. I have this shower bath gel, so soap, shower gel. I have this body mist. I don't really know what that is, but I think it's just perfume. I've never had to do this before. And then I got whipped body scrub. I think it's for your body to be scrubbed. It's like a sugar scrub, but whipped. Whatever that means. I'm gonna come up and get mine now. So she'll probably describe things better. Alright.
It's what we got to share now because it's a transition. We got this Hyaluronic Pearl Serum. I just saw it and thought it was cute and it'd be fun to try for both of us. Basically, it's a serum to put on your face after you wash it and make you all beautiful and glowy and help get rid of those nasty pimples. Those nasty pimples. We got this at Target. I'm pretty sure all of this is from Target, actually.
Yeah.
Because I didn't actually get anything at TJ Maxx because I'm a champion.
Yeah, everything except for my headphones is from Target.
All right. I'll pass that to her.
That's cute.
We got this Aveeno Positively Smoothing Shaving Gel for me and Jada to share because we live in the same house and
we share a bathroom. Like,
you know.
there's no reason not to buy things together.
Yeah.
So that we can
The only
share.
reason we did it with other body stuff is I actually can't have coconut.
Yeah, we
and
have
she
different
smells
scents,
coconut.
man. I smell
Hormones.
entirely of coconut.
Yeah, but I got this because we are actually running low on shaving gel.
Also, this is like a neutral smelling thing that we both are okay with.
I got each of us a lip mask simply because I think it's hilarious to put on a lip mask and I want to stick one on her face.
I'm so scared.
These ones are from Target.
You
as
okay? Your
well.
hands all shaky.
I'm just moving around a lot, honestly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, these are the ones we got, and I don't know how to pronounce that name, but y'all can see it, so.
Let me see. The bit started with a B. It's Vitamassus.
Anyway.
Oh,
yeah, that one-
Vitamassu. I think it's like a French.
And then we got this lovely, I don't know how to say it, but
It's like a face cleanser thing.
massager.
So essentially, it has different shapes for different parts of your shape. So it's supposed to be like here, and it just helps you like smooth out your face and stuff.
It's supposed to help you massage your face. We got it to share because honestly, it's a stone basically, so we're just gonna wash it.
Yeah, it's
So-
it's literally just like a rock. I'm thinking we
Alright.
should put it in the fridge. That way it's cool.
And now I'm gonna do the things that I got for my purse specifically. So I got this Simply Gum because it's cute, it's small, and it honestly looks aesthetically pleasing. And I like to have something to chew on so I don't say mean things to people. Life hack. I got Tylenol because again I get like headaches, etc., etc. I got a Tide pen because I'm messy. And then I got
Oh, they use tree sap in their gum.
a human repair kit because again I'm clumsy and walk around with clumsy people. Alongside that we also got these mini pimple patches, like this little case to go in my
I
car.
have 2 pimples if you want to try one on
You can.
me. Right now.
She said so, so. Well, I thought we were gonna do it later with all the other stuff. Stick it on your face now. And then we'll take it off later. They're like very light, like they started like 2 days ago, so. Yeah, I honestly have been breaking out, which is kind of why we did this little run. Because of how much sweat I have. I break out because of stress and hormones. Mine is just sweat, bro. I don't have enough time to clean off all of my sweat all the time. And it's ruining my life. It comes in this cute little reusable package. That's so cute. Which is, this one is a little more pricey because it comes with a mirror. It's a compact, but you can cut out your little pimple patches and put them back in. Or just buy more. Up to you. So, I'm gonna take out one of these. I'm kind of scared. It's okay, they don't actually hurt or anything. They're just like a sticker you put on your face. Oh. And it pulls it out and you don't feel it. Yeah. Do you know where they are? Do you know where them? You can feel them. There's like one here and then one here. Okay, I'll just put one where your fingers are. That kind of pulled it in like that. Right there? Wait. Boom. Now you got cute little stars on your face. You're welcome. This is the spinny electric toothbrushes. For brushing your teeth in. But this one's just a vibrating one, so yeah, we'll work it with it, you know? Okay, so I leave them on for 6+ hours. I can leave them on forever. I didn't know how long I needed to wait. So, yeah, I normally put on before I sleep or during the day if I'm not wearing makeup. I got a razor and some extra blades. I got a really fancy, nice razor. You can get a men's razor. I just grabbed this one because it's the first one I saw with 5 blades. Also, it's aesthetic. It's aesthetic, but if you like razors, get the 5. Yeah, if you like cheaper ones, go to the men's section. Or you can get one with less blades. I just prefer 5 blades because it helps me avoid strawberry legs and razor bumps. Strawberry legs. I have a little strawberry legs on my bottom half of my legs. Alright, and I think this is the last. It's my set. I got the Cherry Blossom and Tea Rose vegan set. I got the shower gel / bath gel. I got the. Okay, do you want to tell me the reason we got those ones though? So the reason we each got a set of these is because they had a sale going on. I don't even remember what the sale was. It was like 2 for like $15, which means you save like $2 and like 94 cents. Yeah, it was 84 cents. I don't know. I got the bar soap and I got the scrub because I was actually out of body scrub. So that's what we got. Can you smell it? I actually, by the way, we didn't smell any of them. I didn't realize you could just smell them. Oh, you know what? Yeah, we didn't smell any of them just because I was like, I smell the tea rose more than I do the cherry blossoms. Like, I can smell the cherry blossoms. Did it bite you? Yeah, this is why we got Band-Aids too. I'm okay. It didn't cut me or anything. Oh, by the way, I had like a nosebleed on the way home. Yeah, so that was our shopping for self-care stuff. I'm gonna try opening this, but y'all can leave now if you want. This is we're gonna play with our new toys. But as a reminder, self-care is important, and it doesn't always have to be expensive. We just decided to kind of of like do it for the aesthetic today. I feel like I'm the least self-caring person I've ever met in my entire life. At most, I will do a face mask. Yeah. At most. And I won't even look at what type of face mask it is. I love to get into self-care. So you can work out, you can brush your teeth. There's so many ways to make sure that you personally are making sure you're keeping up with your self-maintenance, being hygienic. There are so many tools, so many
Creators out there that can help you. If you guys want to see videos like that, like and subscribe, or let me know down in the comments.
Let me know if you want my sister to teach me how to do self-care.
Whole video.
Like if she wants
Whole
to
video.
if she wants to help me make a schedule, if you guys want to see that happen, please let anyone know. Please, like one of us.
I'm gonna rip this open. Are you guys ready?
That's a nice sound. Sorry. Yeah.
And then this
So,
comes
like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see my sister help me learn how to take care of myself properly with this stuff. I don't even do, like, bro, I don't know how my skin is not dying.
We can talk about it after the video. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Share if you want. Have a great day.
Nothing happened. Bye.